Morning rounds of polypills. Some doctors believe this combination medicine can save lives and money. The polypill puts 3 common heart medications into a single pill. It is not available in the United States, but an FDA panel reviewed the newest version last week. Our Dr. Narula is a cardiologist at Lenox Hill Hospital in New York. Good morning.
Good morning.
So tell us what a polypill is.
So this could be really the future of cardiovascular medicine. A polypill is a fixed dose combination of typically 3 drugs, an aspirin, a statin, which is a cholesterol medicine, and a blood pressure lowering medicine. It was originally conceived of in the early 2000s, and it's been very controversial, with some people feeling like it's medicalizing prevention and other people really believing that this is revolutionary and could really work great in terms of preventing cardiovascular disease.
What's the difference in medicalizing prevention and...
Meaning treating prevention as a disease that treating cardiovascular disease as a disease that can be treated with drugs solely, as opposed to with lifestyle changes. And I think that's one of the critics seem to feel that if we just give people a magic bullet pill, then we're sort of steering them away from interventions like changing their diet and exercising and telling them, well, just take this medication. Exactly.
What are the advantages to having all 3 of these drugs in one pill?
Right, so there's a lot of advantages. First of all, adherence, that's the biggest one. For people to be able to take one pill instead of 3 different pills, we know that 50% of people stop their prescription meds in 1 year. Cost savings is another huge one. The polypill could be as cheap as $1 a day. Wow. It's easy to prescribe, it simplifies the whole process, and really on a public health perspective, this could be huge.
You sound excited about it, are you?
I am. I think for the right population of people, this could really be advantageous.
What's the downside?
Yeah,
there's always a downside.
There's always the downside. So the downsides with this, we haven't researched whether this could decrease heart attack or stroke. We know that it does decrease blood pressure and cholesterol and improve adherence. That's one. Another issue is side effects. So if you take the polypill and have a side effect, how do you tease out which of the medications is causing it? And if you stop the drug, now you're stopping 3 drugs instead of just stopping 1.
This is one more example of where something gets approved in Europe and has not yet gotten approved in the United States. Do they have different standards over there, or why are they so more lenient about getting drugs to the market?
Right. Well, 14 countries have already approved this, and it has been very slow to come to the market in the United States. One issue has been the pharmaceutical industry. You know, this isn't really the typical...
You mean they're lobbying to prevent?
This isn't the typical drug that's profitable for them, right? A drug that's patented, that has a high profit margin, is the kind that they like to research and market. The polypill is generic drugs that are already available.
So how soon might we get it here? If it is, I'm all choked up thinking about it. How soon might we get it here?
I think we could see it in the next several years. Certainly the fact that the FDA was already talking about it now is a huge step. And I think it's just a matter of time. We want to personalize medicine and give every person the right drug for the right disease. But in some respects, giving them something is better than nothing.
Yeah. Dr. Narula, thank you so much. Always good to see you.
Thank you.